What's going on, everybody? I went and purchased this iPhone 13 Pro Max. I ended up purchasing this for $750 at the time. I thought that was a pretty good price because I know I could sell it for at least $1,000. It's 256 gigabytes. It was locked to Verizon. I did unlock this device. Comes with a box and charger. And basically what I'm about to do now is I am about to go and sell this for $1,000 locally, so I get the chance to get cash in hand. And I only had this device for like 2 days, so what's that, $250 profit sounds pretty good to me. So I'll show you guys when I get there, you know, how that goes and things like that. I just want you to kind of see, like, it's literally that easy. You just walk outside, you buy a phone, you know, once you buy the phone, you find somebody who want to buy it, and you just simply just resell it to them. Of course, you know, you got to make sure it's a good phone. I do not condone doing bad business, but you guys get what I mean in just the simplest form. So I'll show you when I get there, okay? This phone, it's easy, man. Easy money. And just like that, you guys, I was able to make my profit for the day. So the phone got sold. I'm gonna go and actually sell them some more phones later, but I ended up making $1,000. What was that? So I bought the phone for $750, sold it for $1,000. So that's pretty much phone flipping, man. It's literally just that easy. And if you want to learn more, literally, I have a course. I'm giving out free game every day. You could join the Facebook group, whatever it needs, but the main thing is for you to learn how to do this, because this is literally that easy.